Hi everyone, myself Hariprasad SK. In the previous video, I told about the subjects which comes in the plans and syllabus and the books I refer for the exams. In the previous video, I forgot to tell about the statistics part. From the statistics part, different types of tests like F-test, T-test, Z-test, you need to know about the scientists who gave them and the which purpose they are used, and about the different types of designs like RBD and CRD and LSD. You need to know the question may be asked from this topic by asking the number of degrees of freedom by giving the number of applications and treatments. These things are important from statistics part. And today in this video, I will tell you about the important things to cover from the genetics and plant breeding part. Now, starting from the genetics, I wrote these things from the genetics by B.D. Singh book. From the first unit, that is general history. About general history, it is very easy to read and understand this topic. As it is very important, you need to memorize each and everything that's come in the general history part. Next, about cytology and cytogenetics. All the chapters in these topics is important except regulation of cell cycle. All other things are easy to read and understand. Coming to the regulation of cell cycle, even though it is about only 3 to 4 pages, you may not get the complete satisfaction reading this chapter. The important things to cover from this chapter is about the C-value concept and about the different types of proteins that comes in the different phases of cell cycle and about the important terminologies that comes in this chapter. Next, about transmission genetics. Except genetics and man, all other topics are important from this unit. And coming to the recombination of fungi and the bacteria, if you are reading the B.D. Singh book, you may not get the clear idea about this chapter. I suggest you to read the Tamarin book for this chapter. It's from the foreign author, Genetics by Tamarin. Reading the Tamarin book, you get the clear idea about the recombination of fungi and the bacteria. Even though in the microbiology part, the recombination of bacteria is given, it's enough for the exam purpose. But about the recombination of the fungi, for the better understanding, you need to go for the Tamarin. Otherwise, from the B.D. Singh book, you can get the basic idea about the recombination of fungi and the bacteria. And about the spores, the question may be asked in some few model papers, and the objectives about the question from the spores has been given. Solve them; it will be helpful for the exam. And coming to the molecular genetics, from the molecular genetics, the molecular genetics and the recombinant DNA technology, as this part come from the biotechnology part. Reading from the B.D. Singh, you may not get the complete idea about these two topics. So read it on the base level only. It's enough for the exam. And genetics of differentiation and the development is also, you can read it at the basic base level only. It's in depth about these topics are not necessary. Next is gene action, that is transcription and translation and the regulation of gene action. These things are important from the molecular part. And if you don't get these things from the B.D. Singh book, go through the YouTube lecturers by different channels and such topic wise. And few topics from these chapters are there in the Somus Biology channel. You can refer it and you will get the better understanding. Now the last part of the genetics, that is population and the evolutionary genetics. First chapter, that is population genetics, the R.D. Wenger. It will be the concept based questions. You need to solve it and remember the important formulas and know this concept at the base level. It will be helpful in the exam if they ask it. Next, the population genetics, that is factors affecting the gene frequency. Read this part in the B.D. Singh book and then go through the objectives book. You may find the problems based on this topic and solve them once. You will get the clear understanding about the concepts that comes in the evolutionary and the population genetics. And about the evolution and the origin of species, it's like a story type. You can read it and remember it well. After covering all the things from the B.D. Singh book, once go through the glossary and the appendix part. Reading this part will help to know about the important terminologies and their meaning and the scientists and their contribution. These all things are enough for the genetics by the B.D. Singh book. Now coming to the plant breeding subject, both the books, that is Pundan Singh and B.D. Singh, are very useful. And reading the B.D. Singh book, you will get the depth knowledge about the plant breeding part. But if you are fresh, read the common chapters between the Pundan Singh and B.D. Singh from Pundan Singh book only. If you don't get the clear idea, then go for the B.D. Singh book. Other than the common chapters, other chapters from the B.D. Singh book, read at the base level only. It's enough for the exams. And last, the miscellaneous topics from the B.D. Singh books is very important. Read it very carefully. All the things I said in the video, that is about genetics by B.D. Singh and plant breeding by Pundan Singh and B.D. Singh. Read these things very carefully. And other things to read is about manuals, class notes and annual notes. These all things will be helpful for the exam if you read it well. At last, the problems from the genetics and plant breeding part are important. The probability problems can be asked, and you need to remember all the formulas that comes in the genetics and plant breeding part. It will be helpful from the exam point of view. As we got 3 to 4 problems this year, there are more chances that they will ask these problems in the upcoming years also. So give the importance to the problems based concept. If you didn't watch my previous video, the link will be in the description box. You can watch it. If this video is helping you, share with your friends. Thank you.